got our head all prepped. Got the eyes are all done. We sanded it down a little bit. So what we want to do now is we cut out 3 of these blocks. And these blocks are going to go in here for our neck. So we're going to glue these together and let them set up. Then we can glue our neck piece in. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you got any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you. So we'll glue these, clamp them together, and let it set up good. And then tomorrow we'll be able to sand these down and glue them into our neck. We'll put the clamp on it and just make it a little snug till we get them both on and get it set where we want it. We'll let this set up and dry, then we'll sand it down and mount it into the neck. Thanks for watching.